Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here we've got a 2011 VE Commodore station wagon. It's a 3 litre LFW code engine. See it there. Nice motor, nice card for the tap on the front. It's got doors, tailgate. It's got some black leather trim in here, which we'll get to. I'll start the engine up for you. Just get your compliance plate here. There you go. No, 12th, the 10th, 11. And so it's got 4 doors, tailgate, tailless. I've noticed a tiny mark on the tailgate there. And some black leather trim. We'll just start it up. $102,524 kilometres. There it goes. Shift that up. It's nice and white. Leather trim, front and back of course. Did notice on this section here, there's a tear there unfortunately, but otherwise it's quite tidy. No cracks there. Doesn't have a good set of wheels, has got a tow bar missing in the neck, but the wheels are all marked up, scuffed up. There. Door open. So there it is, VE Commodore wagon being dismounted at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. So pop that up, have a look in there for you. Tidy. There's a spare wheel and a jack in there. Yep. Okay, let's shut this one down. So if you need any VE Commodore parts or any other car parts for that matter, give the guys at Parts Plus a call on 02 46 46 1733 and they'll help you out. Thanks for watching and bye for now.